This might be the video creator we've all been waiting for. It's completely free and open source. Plus, the output quality is genuinely impressive. It's incredibly fast, and you can even utilize it on regular consumer-level GPUs. This tool is called LTX Studio by Litrix. And this week, they've unveiled an updated and enhanced version, 13B version 0.9.7. As you'll see from the demos, this version performs incredibly well. By the way, if you're new here, you're watching this on the Trendsetter channel, your go-to spot for the latest in video tools, tutorials, and AI content creation strategies. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through where and how to access it, show you some of my personal results, and of course, guide you on how to set it up locally so you can run it offline for free and with unlimited access. Let's dive right in.
Hi, my name is Adil, and I am the owner of Trendsetter YouTube channel. Let's get started.
After testing this locally, I can confidently say that LTX Studio is easily the fastest video generation model compared to others in the market. They even claim it's up to 30 times quicker than its competitors. But speed isn't the only metric that matters. So, what about the visual fidelity? Well, the answer is a definite yes. You can create videos in full HD with this tool. It features multiscale video rendering, which means it generates footage layer by layer, starting from a basic sketch and progressively adding detail. Additionally, it offers free upscalers to boost resolution and expand your videos beyond just a few seconds. You can also enhance control using keyframes, where reference images help guide the animation throughout. All of these functionalities are included at no cost, providing full creative flexibility. How to use it online. If you're looking for an online version that doesn't require a powerful GPU, visit LTX Studio. Link is in the description below. Sign up for a free account and you'll gain access to a wide range of tools, storyboards, image generators, and of course video generation with the latest 13B model. Select Motion Generator, choose the latest model, and upload a starting image. Let's begin with a challenging one. 2 boxers mid-fight. Set it as the start frame, type a prompt like intense boxing match, high action. Adjust the duration and motion intensity and hit generate. And here's what we get. 4 high-speed generations. Notice how detailed and coherent the action is. It feels like a legitimate fight scene. Other models often glitch with movements like punches or realistic fighting, but here even the referee is rendered convincingly. Busy scenes, test. Now let's try a crowded marketplace, a complex test for most models. Upload the image, write the prompt, busy marketplace, and use default settings. Result, all 4 versions are surprisingly stable. People, items, background objects, everything stays consistent and clean. Compared to other tools that produce warping or distortions, LTX handles this flawlessly. Testing art styles. Let's see how it performs in different visual styles. First, an anime scene of friends chatting in a cafe. The prompt, they are talking. Some generations have oddities like a head floating or strange subtitles, but others are solid with anime-style character movements and interactions. Next, let's try 3D Pixar-style scenes. Upload a stylized image, write the same prompt, and generate. This time, all versions look fantastic. Characters talk and move with naturalistic fluidity. This confirms LTX can handle Pixar-style animation scenes effectively. Now let's really push its limits with a dynamic scene. A man being chased by a car in an alley. Here's the prompt. A man runs through a narrow alley. Flames lighting up graffiti-stained walls. A muscle car chases behind him. Explosions and thunder in the background. Trash and debris whip around. The camera tracks the man running, then pans right to reveal a massive explosion. High action. Set the duration to 7 seconds, generate the video, and the result? It doesn't track the camera perfectly, but does follow the man, and the explosion is there. Especially the lower right generation. It smartly follows the man turning around and captures the explosion. Using start and end frames. You can also use a start and end frame to guide transitions. Start with a portrait of a woman. End with a close-up of her eye showing a swirling cosmos. Prompt: the camera zooms into her eye, revealing a swirling cosmos. Some clips don't transition smoothly, but others, like the bottom left, do it beautifully, zooming in naturally and displaying the desired effect. Next, try a house image that transitions to an explosion, generated by Google's Gemini. Leave the prompt blank, just hit generate. Result: all 4 clips show an exploding house with stunning realism. Extra features. After generating, you can select a favorite clip and even upscale it, although upscaling requires a paid plan. You can also add sound effects automatically. Try it, and it might detect and match things like explosions accurately. Lastly, LTX Studio features camera motion controls. Upload an image, pick preset camera moves like panning, tracking, or zooming, or manually move the cursor to define the end frame. This adds another level of customizability to your scenes. There's also an image generator and storyboard creator, but those are for another video. Installing LTX Video locally. Let's now explore how to run LTX Video on your own machine for free and unlimited use. Their official GitHub repo lists multiple methods. You could run it via Python scripts, but a better option is using Comfy UI, which is more user-friendly and compatible with other image and video models. If you're new to Comfy UI, don't worry, it might seem complex, but it's intuitive once you start. Inside the repo, you'll find the 13B version compatible with Comfy UI. The full model offers the best visual output, but requires a lot of VRAM. Instead, try the quantized version, which trades a bit of quality for much lower VRAM needs, perfect for GPUs like the RTX 4090 or even the 8GB cards. Installing the Q8 version can be tricky. It needs Microsoft build tools and a lot of space by 7GB. Many users report errors, so the better choice is to use the FP8 quantized model shared by a user named KE. This version is lighter, easier to run, and works smoothly on consumer GPUs. And that wraps up the walkthrough of LTX Video by Litrix, an open-source, free, fast, and quality video generator. If you found this guide helpful and want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Trendsetter channel, your hub for the most exciting tools in the AI and content creation world.